another video. So today, for the first time since I got my driver's lessons in May 2019, over a year now, I'm going to wash my car. As you can tell, it's not very clean. I don't know what this is. This is from the trees where I parked the car. I don't know why it got like this, but yeah, like this. So this is the before. Get this. Disgusting. I mean, I'm so gross. Please don't judge me. I know at least I hope that I'm not alone. Hey, I'm back. My car is feeling super fresh and clean and looking beautiful. And now it's time to do a super quick everyday makeup. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, my skin lately is been looking super good. I'm very happy with it, but I just decided to start doing things that I shouldn't, and that's why my pimples are super red now. Okay, so that's my fault. Normally I don't wear foundation, but I think maybe today would be a nice day to wear foundation. And I'm going to use this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup Healthy Glow with Vitamin Complex and Cranberry Water in the shade 10. This is super natural. This is the perfect shade for my fade 10, because I'm wearing it right now. And it also is super light coverage, which I appreciate during summer and this hot weather, because I just don't feel like putting a full face of makeup or a full coverage foundation. That's what I was trying to say. So yeah. Okay, so my makeup is done. Very simple, very natural, you know. And now it's time to do something to eat. I don't know actually. It's been a few hours. It's now around 6:30 and I just been out. I've been taking care of some things and now I'm watching Friends, because as all I do, I watch Friends over and over again. Anyway, so I think I want to eat something, maybe a snack, but I'm trying to be healthy, but I really want to eat something, so I'm just going to get an apple, maybe something with fresh cheese, healthy cheese on it. I don't know. Also, You know, there's a lot of people and a lot of YouTubers I watch that are using this time and quarantine, and even though it's not quarantine anymore, and in Portugal it's basically everything back to normal with rules, obviously. Yeah, but I did put on some weight, but I'm also a little bit scared to go to the gym because it's a place where everyone shares their equipment. I don't know why I get so weird every single time I film. It's just me, so well. Anyway, yeah, that was just something I wanted to share with you. I put on some weight, as I think probably a lot of people in the world also did, because it's normal. I spent a lot of time just watching TV or doing things but inside my house, and I end up eating more than usual, and therefore I put on some weight. Yeah, but you know what, who cares really? Who cares? Obviously I do, because I'm just rambling about this, but I shouldn't, because do you want to say something to YouTube? Do you just want to sleep? Oh. And I think this is going to be it for today's vlog. I'll try to film more vlogs and more content. Yeah, but since I'm not doing anything else today and I just feel like chilling, watching some TV and some YouTube videos. Sorry, my eyes went a little bit crazy because I was looking there and my phone. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more videos. Hit that thumbs up. That's weird to say because it feels like 2013. I don't know. Yeah, and see you on my next video.